alaikum. My name is Muhammad Raza. Today we learn animals name. So let's start with multiply हमारे cat. This is the cat. Dog. This is the dog. Horse. This is the horse. Lion. This is the lion. Cow. This is the cow. Goat. This is the goat. Monkey. This is the monkey. Donkey. This is the donkey. Elephant. This is the elephant. Camel. This is the camel.